Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to join CSV tables to shapefiles in QGIS. This is a very useful technique which you want to link additional data to your spatial features. Whether you are working with population data, environmental metrics, or any other datasets, joining CSV tables to shapefiles can make you analyze and do much analysis, and a powerful one to get started. So the first thing that you want to do is, most of the time you find out that you want to add to your project the specific places. Maybe you are a student and you're doing and you did sampling, and you want to add specific places where you did your sampling, and you have your latitudes and longitudes in a CSV file. What you do is you go to layers, top here, then you go to add, then you come to add delimited text layer. Once you click on it, you will click up here, then you go to where you have saved your CSV file. Make sure once you enter your latitude and longitude coordinates in your Excel sheet, you convert them into your CSV. So when you click on them like this and you highlight them, click on one, then yes, when you click on the first one, let me just click on the first one, then okay, then you add, it will add here. Then you will go back again, click on another one, the second one, click OK, add. Then the third one, it will go to cement, click OK, then add. So when you go back, you find out that you have specifically added your 3 main points. I've done it before. So what you do is you just click on them and it appears here. You click on another one, it appears here. Then you click on another one, it appears here. So you find out that your CSV files are there. Then you have joined your project files or the shape files already here. So when you click on, let me say for example this, it brings your map out. So but this is the specific place that you want to show, or where you did your sampling. So you can use your CSV files to show that. So once we have joined, you can see this is the first point, the second, the third, and that is how you join or or add your CSV files to your shapefiles in QGIS. And this is a key skill for everyone working with spatial data, allowing you to integrate additional information into your maps and analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like it, share, and subscribe for more QGIS tips. Got any question? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.